In this video, I'm going to show you how to make your own eco-friendly toys for kids. I had this board, about 1/2 inch thick and 6 inches wide, and I'm using it to make some toys. I sketched out 3 cats and 3 elephants on a piece of paper, keeping them under 6 inches tall, and then transferred the drawings onto the board. I cut out the pieces with a jigsaw, and here's what we got: 2 little families, a family of cats and a family of elephants. These toys can stand on a table one after another. They also fit together just like puzzles. Now, I'm sketching out the rest of the lines on the pieces and cutting them with a router. Now we sand everything down and blow off the dust with some air. And that's it. Job's done.